Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then go to the fingerprint face and password section. Then what you'll have to do is to add a fingerprint. If you don't know how to add fingerprint, you can find the video tutorial about that on our channel. So firstly, you will have to add fingerprint. After you added fingerprint, you have to go to the fingerprint, enter your password, then go to the use fingerprint for, and here you have to enable this app lock and use it to lock apps. Then you have to set up your privacy password to the app lock. You can use pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I'll just use 4-digit one. Then you have to enter your password, confirm it. Then you have to select the security question. Tap done, and now you can use app lock. So to lock apps, just go to the privacy section and then to the app lock. Then you have to verify yourself with your fingerprint, and here you can lock apps. Let's for example lock the recommended apps, photos, messages, and DL contacts, and tap lock. And now for example we can't unlock photos without our fingerprint. The same goes to messages and to calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.